Good morning po. Good morning, parents. Morning po. Maraming salamat po sa mainit na pagtanggap, literally and figuratively. Summer na po ng kapali. Congratulations, dear graduates. Congratulations, dear parents. Palakpakan tayo kahit sa libre. Thanks for that wonderful introduction, Madam Sandra. Kung tutuusin po, ako na po buring pakakaba. I can go on and say, that's pretty much it. That's the end of my speech. In less than 2 minutes, that's done. Easy? Mayan. Mayan po, di ba? But I tell you this. Kilala yan po itang vlogger ang may pasikat kaya itang like na sumakses step by the step. Step by step. Although makatulak, pero tutupo. She's right. There is no such thing as shortcut to success. Tandaan tayo po ito. And so, this is just the start of my story. Life growing up was good. It's not perfect, but for me, it was the best. I had an amazing childhood experience. And thanks to my parents, Papa and Mama. Ito. People around me would easily notice na gifted ko. Not just with looks, wow, but also with brain. O nin, na ako pong masyadong kamala-marinig, tahimik, madalas kakarog. Anti makanini, kakarog ko pa rin po. Naalala ko pa, nung grade 1 ako, sinabak ako agad sa isang contest ni Teacher Garcia. Teacher May Garcia. That was a reading contest. Siyempre ako bisa. Malamarin na ako. At bukod ka rin ating kong secret. Buriya po nga balo na yung secret ko. Manervyos ko. Dimdam yun na po ba itang kasabihan ng butterflies in stomach? Ano yun graduates? Yes. It was meant to describe itang feeling. Na-feel mo po itang tatakot ka? Minsan mag-nervous ka? Butterflies in stomach. Ulit ka ko po panamdaman kayo talaga. Anya kada salang ko po practice at anya actual contest kitang reading. Ating ko pong abalang trick. Ating ko pong akahiligan. Wapin po itaing tumilak. Pasensya na po, karang mamangan. Pero tutupo. Need can ilabas itang butterflies in my stomach. Hanggang mawala itang feeling. Tapos kay Batmanita, okay na ako. Ready na ako. Susuka pero di. Anyata, susuka pero di. Opo. Bayo ko po mag-contest, sumuka ko. Kay Batmanita, sick na ako. That was my first competition, grade 1, and manyabot ko. Pauli na nitang metong na teacher na may tiwala ka na ako. Kaya potential ko. So I built my confidence. Nagyo pala, even if I was scared. Nagyo pala, maski tatakot ko. So I was able to learn how to regulate my feelings and emotions at a young age. As Ma'am Sandra mentioned, I've built a career in finance. But before that, katulad niyo po, metong ko pong achiever. Simula grade 1 po hanggang grade 6, in all grading periods, yako po ang top 1. I excel in academics. Pauli na po, alimuning talino, pero ning lugod at suporta, ning pengari ko at ting taong makabalibot ka na ako. Pero alimaw po ito. Aliko mo po academically competent. Active ko rin po karangaliwang bagay. As early as grade 2, sinanay na ako po susulat lalaban campus journalism. Imam Hilda Gutierrez po yung kanakang trainer. Kay Bat Nanita, yako po yung pambato ng Mang Wilma. Ken Sportsmith, uling Ken Dagul na po yung katawan ko, yako po yung lalaban na Ken shot put ang pong discuss from. At bayo ya pa may discover ni Carlos Yulo, itang kita Olympian. As na ako pong G na G, tatambling po ang ating cheer dance competition. At ayalala ko po, linaban ko yung grade 6 for an oratorical contest through the guidance of Ma'am She De Leon. Through Ma'am She, may asa ko pong communication skills, ang pong modulation techniques. Modulation. Kasayang balikan in memories ko anyang katulad yung estudyante ko tabuan. I tick all the boxes. Kaya kanya pong graduation, ay alala ko, cute ko pa kanita eh. Medyo chubby-chubby. Akyat baba ka ni po yung stage. Tako pong karakal medal. Tapos ito na akiting batal ko. Kasi, dahil dapuran medal na makasabit eh. Achiever yung person, Adam. Life then was good. I-father ko po, he was a payloader operator. Minsan mag-drive ng XLT. May gumpisaya pong mag-conductor kay bus. Ima ko naman po, mayari ang beautician. Ingobra na po, mag-manicure, pedicure, magpalago. Nanya po, kaya malago yan, ang bista man makareta, nilabas kami. Panganay ko po, kareng 4 aming kakapatan. After a year, sinunod yan ni Josh. Then 4 years after, love. Wow, family planning eh. May try no, mag-family planning o nang after 4 years, ating milsot, ameto. Wapit po itong bunso ni Jervin. Anyang anak ko po, tuwing summer, tutukida ko po kay Porak ng tatang ko. Iyabe na ako, mag-truck kami, mag-deliver balas, tas kawili ko at yung pera. Anak ko, balo ba na akong pera? In a good way, of course. What I mean is, anak ko pa, balo mo na yung value na ng pera. And bayo ka mag-earn, kailangan ipagalan mo. Takay ating times, makipamasada kami XLT, tsungwarap. Yakuing manyong ka rin pasaheros. Tapos kauli, yung pakonsuelo do, itang favorite kong tinatay ng bakery, itang macarons. At that time, balo ko, mamaya luman ko mo. Pero lilipas yung panahon, magbayo. Atin kong apapansinan na magbayo. Nung dati, kada pasukan, dahil gamit mi National Bookstore lang. Potangkali dahil sapatos ko ken lang SM Department Store. Tas, apapansinan ko, the following years, sasaling kami, ken Carnation na. Balo yan po yung Carnation. Kaya pong arayat. Tas kay Badmanita, Suliman na. Tapos retang malam ko po, ipasa-pasa na nila. Papasa na nga kaya kapatid, muling magkasunod kami po. Aligo pa ang dyan kanita, pero balo ko. Mag-umpisa na. Mag-umpisa na ang bayad ng bill. At yung po bang makarelate kayo? Pagtas ko kung gamit kung makarelate kayo, ay alita at mapilan. Bring sabihan ka rin graduates na mo mapalit kayo po na. Uling then parents, you have to provide the inke kayong kailangan. Palakpakan tala po rin kayo ng parents. Sundo tayo po. Ayan high school ko, alin ko po expect na noong kaharapan ko. Basta balo ko, kagraduate ko, rank top 10 kada school, piyabe-abe na lang. At mag-exam lang. At kay Badmanita, milubla yung star class. Balo yan po yung star class. Soon, balo yan po. Kingawa po ng Diyos milub ko at then friends ko, kaya tabuan. I-Clinton, i-Porsche, and eventually i-Kim Fajardo. Ita po another playing field ya po. Uling this time, alina mo tabuan. This time, the best of the best in Labanan King Star Class. And your boy did not disappoint. Nilaban ke with all might. Telang ke bandera ng tabuan. All while being a campus journalist, SSG officer, and an Eagle Scout. And fast forward to 4th year. My major heartbreak. Heartbroken ko po. Not because I did not clinch the class valedictorian by a decimal point. In fact, I passed the entrance exam of my dream school, UP, University of the Philippines. Ipasan ko pala, pero bakit heartbroken ka? It was because the realities of life hit me. Ay, alala ko po niyang buklan kitang email from UP Los Baños containing next steps para kay enrollment. Ay, alala kayo po yung sinabi ng papa ko. Rome, and I agree. Imagine, months of preparation only to find out, halili pala ako. Karitak na rin ipapasal kang UP. Adwa ka rin na pong ipasal kang batch. Tapos halili po pala ako. So, anya pong datang itang sulat, minyan pong sabog ka rin tao, ka rin teachers, but eventually, kailangan kayo pong i-forfeit itang kanakong slot. Alina ko po may mutang, pero I was certain. Alin pala sure at garantisado na makapag-college tayo. Yes, ito po ang kwento ng karamihan ng mga estudyante. At hindi ako nag-iisa. Barakal po estudyante, matalino lang. Pero uling masakit ibig. Lang makapag-college. Kaya ng graduation, ali ko po balo na ng panamdaman ko. Hanggang doon na lang ba talaga ako? high school graduate. I mean, no offense po eh. Pero I-realize ko po, ali pala sure, na kapag ginalingan mo sa 4 years ng college, part ka ng star class, consistent honors ka, graduated class valedictorian, sasuccess ka. Medals are never guaranteed that you will have a bright future. Nilabas po yung graduation, takay, tinatakpo. Result naman, nag-exam po. DOST po. Nag-exam ko po, DOST, ipasar po. Ngayon yung problema, noon ko mag-aaral. I just forfeited my slot kay UP, the only school na puri kong mag-aaral. And so, ako po balo, nung nanong school, kumakapag-enroll. Marakal po nangyari. Ang gagamit ako po kay office ng DOST, makisabi ko po, pwede kayo po bang, ano po pwede kong gawan. Yung sinabi na po, you can avail the scholarship, pero panayaming another year. Ako po bisang manayam. Kasi po, tamalakwan po ka rin batch ko eh. So eventually, ketinggal itang scholarship na yung DOST. Ken DOST po, libre ka pa mag-aral, libro, clothing allowance, ampong allowance po, bakal ng school. Kaya graduates, mapalad kayo. Because now, you have the universal access to quality tertiary education. Salamat po kang Senator Bam Aquino, who was the principal author and sponsor for uplifting the lives of Filipino. Palakpakan tayo po. Things didn't work out because I didn't qualify. Maski makanano ko po buri, iplanoin ka ng future, alin po mangyari. Because God has a different plan for me. Anya pong, after na ng redirections, at yung pong linapit ka, dara ko po sabi na, may subukan TIP. At ilang scholarship ka rin class sa Salutatorian. By the way, I graduated class sa Salutatorian of Camba High School, batch 2012. In scholarship po, you need to maintain a certain average, tas manikwa ka pong free allowance, book allowance, ampong damit. Kinuha kaya po. Pero, alike po yung buring kong kurso. Kaya po bisa akong mag-UP kasi bisa akong po mag-chemical engineer or maging metong a journalist. Pero yung TIP, itang program na offer na metong niya po, accountancy. Kaya po balo kanita na ng accounting. Pero sabi to, pirma-pirma mo po marakal na kapera. Walang lupa ko pong pera, kinuha kaya. Ali ko balo, ita palang redirection, wapin pala yung magpatibe, ken pangatao ko. At 16, likwad kay Pulbe ako ken Pampanga. May kipagsapalanan ko po Manila, at king sa na po rin dara ko, kipkupda ko po kabang mag-aral ko. Accountancy wasn't my first choice. It wasn't my first love. And so it manifested. Maski po, gagalingan ko, maski po, masanting lang rin grades ko, alike po, afi-feel. Kaya po, love. Kasi, nagkasakit luguran ng accountancy. Maski po mag-aral ka po aldo-aldo, minsan po may babagsak ka, kami papasar. But despite all that, tiloy kayo po. By the way, ng accountancy po, if hindi kayo familiar, bala ko po PBB ya. Ino po man yung PBB yan eh. Kasi applikan man. Wala PBB yan. Kasi, every term, ating may event. We started from more than 100 students. Tapos sasalaan dala every year. Hanggang graduate, retang best of the best. It was during college na ating kaming financial challenges. Magkasunod kami pong wali ko. At that time, ay po isang mag-aaral, sabi na, mag-track memo ano. Kasi pinbalo na, masakit yung bed. Pero sabi ko, ali pwede. Matalino yan. Star class yan mo rin. Nga in-encourage kayo po mag-aral. Beta natin Manila ako. Total, magrenta kami mo rin naman po para metong na yung gastos. Ito po, in work na pong papa ko, seasonal yan po. Uling at chicken quarry, puta pong mumuran, alayang obra. Uling pong makalbog ken quarry. Tangkain gawan na pong imamo kanita, mag-home service yan. Inya kilala din po ken tabuan. Linisan o po kukuren teachers. Ang po rin pong kagawad ken barangay. Ang po minsan po mag-home service yan, karang bale-bale. Dinasan mo rin po, miyal bugan bale. Imbalemi po. Imbalemi po kanita, tagpi-tagpi ang yero. Anya po potang mapali, pwedeng matuntog malambat. Uling kagising mo, toasted na ka. Makareta po kapali kang kilong. But through it all, hanggang masakit, ating niyang pedalang anghel ni Lord. And it is through the form of kanakong bapang abong darang. From my titos and titas abroad, Itita Grace, medong karang mag-encourage ka na ako to push forward. Maski masakit, sabi na, importante talaga makagraduate kayo. Aliwa talaga in Megara. Third year, I lost my scholarship. Kinyak ko, uling disappointed ko. May disappoint na kayo, graduates. Masakit, ewarin. I cried kasi, dahil nibagsak ko mo, uling scholarship mo yung reason kung bakit makapag-aral ko. At tanyang nibagsak ko, ko nabalo kung ano yung susunod. Kaya alala ko, ayang gagaga ko, kinaul na akong papa ko. Sabi na, okay mo yan. So, pagpatuloy ko, at this point, itita ko, sasawag niya ka na ako. Pangabli na Pasko. Pasensya na po niya. Trinay kayo pong bawasan yung speech ko. Ulit nga niyang nintaya po yung mamiyabot, kitang po, ma'am, pilang oras allotted ka na ako? Sabi na, bahala ka. Sabi ko, nung yako pong bahala, po tayo tapong niyari. Uling 8 pages na po rin eh. Page number 4 ko pa. Lalo na pong oras, po tayo tamayari. Kaya pambilisan ko na po na. Ditang ng please, graduates, makiramdam kayo. Kasi, paparating pa lang tayo sa exciting part. TIP was a private school. And kalupa darang aliwang private school, matas yung tuition. Dahil mukeng scholarship, kaya ako may garal ka rin. Kaya kanyang, wala ako kayong scholarship, may amutang ko. Saan namin kukunin yung pang-tuition ko? Paano ako magpapatuloy? Tapos may ka-idea ko. What if mag-student assistant ko? Familiar kayo po kayong student assistant? Okay. Yung student assistant po, the way it works, magobra ka po kang school. 4 hours, magobra ka po, mag-serve ka kang school, and then manikwa ka po discount ko tuition ang pong allowance. Libre kayo po tuition ko at yung allowance ko po I earn 10 pesos per hour. Opo, ko po mamiro. 10 pesos per hour. So that's 4 hours of work, libre education, at ating allowance. Siyempre, yung sabihin kaya ang makakuha niya mag-agree. Sabi na po, ma-distract ko ka nung kaya pa mag-aral ko. Paano makakapag-aral nga ni? Walang pang tuition. Ne? Walang pang tuition nga ni, ano direct Gen Zs. Pero masyas ko bunto. Tinuloy kay plan ko, mag-student assistant ko, mag-start ko admissions office, sasahod ko tuwing enrollment, and then eventually magpalipat ko library. Bago yung po na nang gagawan ko library. At yung ko po baggage counter. Opo, detang baggage counter kakakit yung karang grocery stores. Karin ko po mag-duty. Potang kai, pagalang estudyante, iyawas na kami kay Kilog Library, mag-ayos kami pong books, karang shelves. Potang kai, lilinisan nila ang shelves. Awa, tatalan kaming basan, uling karang libro, malikubukan lang. Opo, imagine niyo po, dintang ko ketang makaretang part abala mo, teleserye yan. Nung ka rin niya ako yung bida, tas yung camera, makafocus siya ka na ako, tas pupulisang ko rin libro, kadang rin classmates ko, makalunglong lang at mag-review. Ko po balo nung maniwala lang ang aliwang tao. Kasi, people think that I really had a smooth and comfortable life. Jerome, itang class sa Ludatorian, magbagerya. Opo, gawa ko po ito. At alik ko po pikakarine. Tama po dapat pikakarine. Anya, para likwa pa ba yung apaburin yung pamag-aral ko, punta nga lang akong gagawan, maka-duty, pagsagot ko pong libro. Yung schedule ko po kanita, loob ko klase, migising ko pa po. Migising ko, mag-duty ko, kay mag-duty, loob ko klase. Kauli ko, mag-review ko, matuntut ko. Kagising ko, mag-duty ko, loob ko klase. Kauli ko, mag-review ko, mag-duty ko. And it went on and on. Makareta yung naging routine ko. At potang weekends, yung gagawan ko, bungal doon at yung kwarto. Hawak king calculator, apong libro, pagsagot ko. Makasukay pa, king tutuman. But this time, may papasukan ko, not because kakarog ko, but because papagal ko. Pero sabi natin, susuka pero di susuko. Makareta po talaga siguro na nung matas ka pangarap, mas maragul yung kailangan sakripisyo. Anya, mayaring 3rd year, mag-4th year kami. Bayo kayo po mag-4th year, ating kaming exam. At potang apas ang mga exam, karing ka pa mag-continue accountancy. That is another 2 years, kasi accountancy po, 5 years yun. O then, potang ibagsak ka, graduate ka the following year. Graduate ka pong business or accounting tech. Urin kayo sakit na ningbe, balo yun po. Dikso na ako yung mag-exam. Sabi ko, What if hindi na ako mo mag-exam? What if graduate na ako mo agad? Kagraduate ko, mag-obra ko, at sumama ko ka rin pengari ko. Pero ali itay character ko. Ali ko sayangan ng pagpuyatan ko kung ali ko rin maging CPA. Sabi ko, try ko mo. Nung may bagsak, o di okay. Okay mo, graduate ko. At nung magpatuloy ko, edi okay. At least I tried. Graduates, try lang ng try. Huwag kayong tatakot mag-try. Okay? It's okay na mag-fail. Mag-fail with honor. Than fail without even trying. And so I did. Mag-exam ko po. Maski di pa kumuha manigaralan, I took the exam. Then yun yung results. 28 lang po rin may pasar. At despite na sobrang busy ko po mag-juggle work and mag-aral, may pasar ko. In fact, I was one of the top 5 scorers. Wow, iba din Sige po, sunduyan po palang pa. Thank you po. So, anyang ipasar ko, pagpatuloy ka. But at this point, sabi ng tita ko, rontok ng naka, magkano mo yung sasahuran mo? Sabi na, huwag ka na lang mag-work. Yung kinikita mo, pangkape ko lang, hala. Bigay ko na lang yung kinikita mo, maliit lang pala. Concentrate ka na lang sa studies mo. Kasi gusto ko rin gumanhawa ang buhay niyo. Baloy mo, muli ko lahat ng meron ako, pipapagalan ko po. Aliwa po kasi kapag minyambot ka, pero it is out of your struggles, pigsikapan mo. Pero not all the time po, aminan tamo, na dapat sasuluhan tamo. Sometimes, we need help. Sometimes, kailangan tamo pong tanggapan, we need to ask help. Because sometimes, God humbles us and teaches us na we cannot depend on our might alone. So He sends people na tumulong kay katamo kay journey. God, i-humble na katamo para tamo mayabang. Because pride separates us from God. And mas magtiwala tamo kay grace na rather than self-sufficiency. Titak na mo po graduates na. Bibuild up kayo pa itang story. Medyo malambat yan. Nanong, pilan na pong oras? 30 minutes? Okay. Ngayon mamiyapon, ma'am, titak pong oras na yan. Anyang mag-fear ko, mag-focus ko studies. And at that time, ibalik yung obra yung papa ko. At iwali ko, uling anyang maghirap kami, mag-stop yan pong obra, mag-work yan pong McDo. Anyang fear ko po, anyang medyo okay na, ibalik yan po studies. And noon, I studied tirelessly, day and night, 5th year. Makipag-contest ko po, NCR, karang big schools. In fact, I made it to the top 50 accountancy students of the Philippines kita pong inorganize ng event ng University of the Philippines. Tangkay, may nyabot kami pong case study kay De La Salle University. Eventually, mag-graduate ko. Success, Ana. Ino po itang vlogger ita? Ininya, ewan po na. Sumakses ka, Ana. Step by the step. Opo, success. Finally, after 5 long years, mayari ko din. Masakit, pero mayari ko. And chance to pay it forward. Anya, graduates, anyang ka-graduate ko college, imbis na magpainawa ko at mag-board exam. Weeks after, mag-work ko, kaya meto nga private company. Sabi ko, imbes na mag-full-time ko, mag-part-time review na ako mo. Kasi, puri kayang sobat, yung pengarin ko at wali ko. At that time, graduating na rin ni wali ko, mechanical engineering ko, 1 lang. Sabi ko, wali naman ba naman ako ito? Sanay na tayo dyan. Dating gawin. Pero this time, anyang mag-work ko, migising ko, mag-work ko, during lunchtime, dadalang kayong libro, ken law, abo ken tax, kauli ko, abangan siya ko sa kaya, mag-review ko, matutun ko. Kagising ko, mag-work ko, mag-review ko, matutun ko. For 6 months, ganun yung naging setup ko. Mag-work ko weekdays and weekends, pumapasok po ako sa review school. Inglog ni po kanita, 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. kayang review. Saturday and Sunday. Ala ko ba painawa? Hanggang king October 2017, then kabatch ko, may mag-exam na lang. Kaya ako sabi ko, ali ko pa ready, kaya next na ako mo. Sabi ko, ali ko, fulling attention, ako ready. Pero may itong po, pinamis ko kaya sa sarili ko. By May 2018, magiging CPA ako. Graduates and parents, there is power when you manifest. There is power when you declare. Anyaya ko po, karang reviewer ko, susulat ko, #CPA by May 2018. At yung pong gagawang pakareta, #mananalo ako, #magtatapuan ako, at yung pong makareta kayong graduates. And if ala, pwede pong gayahan, i-declare you, and i-commit you. 2 months, may labas po yung panahon, mag-work ko, manipon ko. Takay 2 months before May, may pressure na ako. Kasi, puta, may bagsak ko. Anya yung gawa ko, nag-resign ako sa work. 2 months, gawa ko mo po, review, ballet, coffee shop, tinggal ko purang social media ko, alang distractions. Tatakot ko, pero nag-promise ko kayong sarili ko, by May 2018, graduate, mag-CPA ko. Anya ito. I took the board exam and came first try. May pasan ko. After reviewing 2 months full-time, ikwaki lisensya. In the same year, iwali ko may pasarya rin. He is a registered mechanical engineer. At suya mo yan eh. season, paid off lahat. Abida rin ng tao, finally, Roger, ampoy Vicky. At the next CPA, ampo mechanical engineer. When the time is right, sabi na, I, the Lord, will make it happen. Tama po, ne? When the time is right, I, the Lord, will make it happen. And He did. He made it happen step by step. Step by step. Nag-corporate world ako. After passing the board exam, nag-work ako sa SGV. And for 2 years. And then pandemic happened. Graduates natin dyan ko ng Karakali Nabas kaya ngayon eh. Anyang pandemic, ano kayong grade? Grade 1? Grade 1. Tingnan nyo, no? 6 years. Pandemic happened. And buti na mo po, before mag-lockdown, may nikwa ko pong offer from an Australian bank. Work from home niya po ito. It felt like a blessing kay kami kasi may kasanting tang offer doon. Nag-umpisa na po kaming magpagawa ng bahay. Itang dating tagpi-tagpi pong yero, may ginepong semento. At may kabintana na kami, sliding na lang. Na akong kasaya. Kasi after years ng pamaghirap, finally, may kabawi na kami. Ditak-ditak, may kabawi kami. Step by step, magtutuloy. Step by step. Bala ko tuloy-tuloy na. Winning season ni na ito. And so I thought. Then boosh. Fate once again took its wild turn. And this time, it hit us hard. Pwede ko pong mag-break para uminom po. Thank you. Bala ko po tuloy-tuloy na ingasel sumi. Takay, ipapa ko, may stroke yan. Brain hemorrhage. He had to undergo a brain surgery. And the cost, 1 million. 1 million? Pandemic? Sabi ko, ay hindi na naman tamo. Bala ako winning season na. Tapos, ganito. Maski balo, wala kaming 1 million. At maski sinabi na ng doktor, alam kasiguraduhan nung makasurvive yung tanak mo. Sabi ko po, sige Dok, ilaban tayo. Ilaban kayo po ipapa ko. Maski ako balo nung noon ko po kumang pamayan. Kasi ako pa may kabawi kaya. Mag-umpisa kami pa mo po. Tapos kuwanan yun eh. That's where I hit rock bottom. At hindi pa palang mas malalam akong cool kaysa kitang delanan kung para graduate. Tapos marakal pang problemang tinatang. Pero through it all, I realize ko po, and graduates, makiramdam kayo. Anya pala ng kasakit ng delanan ko, anyang college apong review. Because God was preparing me for something bigger. God allowed me to go through hardships because ni-ready na ako for this battle. The toughest one so far. I could have easily given up. But I didn't. Hindi ako sumuko kasi hindi yun yung character ko. I was born to fight. Graduates, parents, sometimes yung pagkakasakit po kembye, daranas tamo po, ali para masira tamo. But we have to go through hardships to build us that character. Sometimes, akakita mo po in matura, in bad. Uning sana po, parents and graduates, mabiyasa tamo rin pong lumawi, kitang masanting, and the good in it. Kutangan tayo po, potang magkakasakit kayo, graduates. Lord, what do you want to teach me? Lord, nanong buri niyo pong ituro ka na ako? It could be strength, sikanan, resilience, mabiyasang bumangon, faith, itang tiwala, maski everything around falls apart. Ditak-ditak, maski mabagal, mikablas kami. Message kay Papa ko, at kaya betaya po ngayon. Ditak-ditak, maski mabagal, sidsad kay taklo. Sinobanda ko po retang kaluguran kong mestra. Alala po inyad ka na ako, sabi da, pagloon da ka, ariyan tayo yan. Ditak-ditak, maski mabagal, mayari itang wali ko. At ngayon, yung mag-aral na mo po, itang bunso ni, 4th year na po, college. Lagi sinasabi ng tao, Rom, kagaling mo. Rom, baka na ano may agaway ta? Inagyume. Pero, ngayon po sagutan ke, Ali kay nagyu. No, I didn't. Because God did. And God that saved us from that cross 1,000 years ago is the same God na may carry kanako kalwas nitang kahirapan. The Lord who fed thousands of people with just few loaf of bread and fish is the same Lord that sustained me. Can I hear an amen? Amen. Filipino graduates, prepared to lead with competence and character. True leadership is not born from privilege or talent alone. Ali porque matalino ka, success ka. But it is from perseverance, humility, kababaang loob, faith, and itang na loob to keep going maski masakit. In kwento ko po, kwento de ren normal na Filipino. And my story shows That competence is built step by step through discipline, hard work, learning from failure, and refusing shortcuts. Tama po mag-shortcut, Kimbe. And character is formed in the moments of struggle. When we choose maging mabuti, pag pinipili nating maging matapang, when we choose gratitude over entitlement, at kapag pinilita mo pong sumaw kesa magsarili. Graduates, hope one day, kapag time nyo na, I hope piliin yung magpatuloy. Kasi kaya naman eh. Hinaya ni Kuya Rom. Walang imposible for those who believe. Kaya ang challenge ko, pwede ba mag-promise kayo sa akin? Pwede? Tapusin niyo hanggang college. Promise? Mahina. Tapusin niyo hanggang college. Promise? Very good. Tapos tulungan niyo yung mga kapatid niyo para sabay-sabay kayong umangat. And most importantly, graduates, honor your mother and your father. Nasa 10 utos yan, di ba? And yun ang commandment na may blessing. So, mahalin nyo, obey ang turo ng mga magulang nyo. Kasi i-bless kayo lalo ni Lord. And to our parents, malawak pa po ang lakbayin nyo. 10 years. Sana'y ako po sasawa, susuporta, magtiwala ang pong mangarap. Let's end the cycle of poverty. Kaya natin yon? Tapusin natin yung cycle ng kahirapan, sabay-sabay, para walang maiiwan. Promise? So, graduates, I hope sana po nalaman nyo that success, hindi naman po yan nakikita sa karangyaan ng bahay. Hindi yan kapag may kotse ka na o kapag may title ka na. Hindi yan sa marangyang buhay. Let me redefine success. Success is not just about reaching the top. Hindi mo kailangan maging pinakamagaling. It is about who you become on the way there. And how you lift others to rise. In success po, yapin po itang character mo na madidevelop through the years. And in tunay success, it's when you lift others. Susupan nyo lang po rin others na tumas. To the faculty of Tabuan Elementary School, special mention kang Ma'am Wilma, ang po kang Ma'am Yabut, reng haligi na po ning Tabuan. To our district supervisor, Ameakobo, to our principal, Sir Castro, salamat po. Kaya pong PTA President, ang Kapitana po, salamat po. To my titos and titas, Tita Grace, to my Lola in Heaven, Apong Loring, kareng kapatid ko, at kempengarin ko. We made it. Ma, Pa, we made it. And to my younger self, who was once scared, tatakot, kakarog, para sa batang ako, you made it. Tabuan Elementary School graduates, handang mamuno ng may kakayahan at mabuting pagkatao. Ako po, Jerome de la Merced Cabungal. May nibatan karenglahi Dareng Bautista, Luris Garcia, Makabagal, Causo Ginto. I am Jerome de la Merced Cabungal, and I am a proud Tabuan Elementary School graduate. And I lead with character and competence. Once again, congratulations, dear graduates, and to our parents. Mabuhay po tayong lahat. Thank you.